Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Amazon seller and you're looking for powerful tools to help grow your business while also saving money on your Helium 10 subscription, then you might want to check out this offer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a Helium 10 coupon code, and I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. So, let's get started. Okay, first, click the first link in the description below. Once you click it, you'll land on this exclusive Helium 10 offer page. Right here at the top, you'll see two different offers. The first offer gives you 20% off for your first 6 months on the Platinum plan. Or, if you prefer, you can choose 10% off every month. Now, scroll down a little. Here, you can switch between the Platinum and Diamond plans. If you choose the Diamond plan, you can get 25% off for your first 6 months. Once you've decided which plan you want, simply click the Claim Offer button. After that, Helium 10 will take you to the sign-up page. If you're new to Helium 10, create your account. Or, if you already have an account, just sign in. Now, continue to the checkout page. Before you complete your payment, take a quick look at the order summary and make sure your discount has been applied. If you see the reduced price, your Helium 10 discount is working correctly. If everything looks good, complete your purchase and you're all set. So that's how you can save money on Helium 10 using the available discount offers. Helium 10 is definitely worth checking out. I've added the Helium 10 link in the description below, so you can check the current offer and get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the All Coupon Codes channel, and I'll see you in the next one.